Hi there. I am going to show you how to make a killer um, report cover for either your business or for school using Word. As you can see, I have excuse me, I have Word open already, and I am going to get this set up in just a second. So we're going to begin here by giving it a title. We'll just say this is my report. Now, of course, that's a little bit small for a title to a report, so we're going to have to increase that a little bit. And let's see, let's go with let's try 22 for the time being. You can make this whatever size you want if that's too small. Of course, we're only using one line here, so there's not a whole lot to work with. What else we got? We might want to just make that bold. I would certainly recommend centering it, which we did. And usually the home is a real good, in my opinion, is a real good thing to use for type. Now, just to sort of jazz this up, because it's kind of bland right now, we're going to add some pictures. And we could do that by going into Insert Picture. And from my file, I have a couple on here already. And we will load that up, and we're going to use the three that are in here, I think. Well, yeah, alright, we'll use this one. Insert. And I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm going to move this out of the way temporarily. Kinda. Make it a little bit smaller for a moment. Oops, I don't mean to do that just yet. We'll come into that. Okay, there. Oh, you know what? Oh, I know what the problem is. Okay, we'll take care of that in 1 second. We're going to insert another picture. Also from a file. And we'll use that one. And it's a real big one, but that's okay. We're going to fix that too. And then we're going to insert yet one more picture. Also from a file. And there we are. Okay, so now we have the three pictures that we want to really work with. And we got to do some work on them because they're way too big, number one. And we need to reposition them. Okay, now one of the things we want to do here, when you go on here, you want to go to Layout. You want to do the picture not like that. You want to do it behind text, and I'll show you the reason why in a minute. And we're going to hit that on the left for the moment. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. Double click on it and it'll open this box up for you. I'm going to go to Layout, behind text. It doesn't really make a difference here. You can do center, left, it doesn't really make a difference. Hit OK. And then one last one, and that's this picture here. And now we're going to, again, Layout, behind text, center, and OK. Okay, now as you can see, all these pictures kind of lapped up on top of each other. Okay, when you after you go to that little box there, you'll see these little dots appear. Okay, if you click outside the picture, they'll go away. If you click back inside the picture, they're back. Whoops, double click. If you click once inside the picture, they're back. Okay, what these are is really, they're just sizing lines so that they can, you can resize this picture. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Alright, so we can kind of get it to move. And actually, we want to take that and move it out of here so I can work with the one behind it, which is the one up here. Okay, and we're going to make that one a little bit smaller. Okay, and yeah, okay, for the moment that's good enough. And we're going to pull the one that's behind it out from behind it. Oh, come on. Okay, doesn't want to come out. There we go. Alright. Now you'll notice you can actually overlap them like that, which is kind of a nice effect, because you can get a lot of pictures in a very small area this way. Okay, this one's a little bit big. I want to make this sort of evened out a little bit. Alright, and you can play with this whatever way you want, and you can put whatever pictures in here you want. Same thing here. I'm going to move that up there. And again, I could probably just overlap that a little bit, make it kind of nice. I could stretch it so it's even with the other ones, if that's what I want to do. This is not a resizable picture, so it's kind of getting a little funky looking as a result. But there you go. There's, as your pictures for your report, you got your title up there. Of course, you can put more stuff down here, like your name and things like that. Don't forget these lines are resizing. If you do it on the angle like this, it resizes it in proportion. Okay, if you decide that what you want to do is you want to stretch it further down this way and make it a bit longer, you can do it that way, or if you pull it out to the side, it'll just get longer, but the height will stay the same. This little doodad up here, I hardly ever use this, but it actually, what it does is, it actually, if you'll see there's a little circle turning to the right. If you push that or pull that little green thing, you can actually tilt the entire picture, which is kind of, I guess, nice for some things. In this case, probably kind of strange. Okay, and that is pretty much it. You could actually take this, print this out like this. If you had a really nice laser printer, it'd come out really good. And that is how you make a killer report for either your business or for school. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll talk to you soon.